What up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting. So we just finished the window tinting on this 2018 Mustang. So what we did was the 35% Suntech CXP, which is the carbon extra performance on the two front windows. Then we did the 18% CXP on the back windows and the back glass. As you can see, we did a one full piece on this back window. That's the 18%. 18% here on these little ones, and then 35% on the two front windows. As you can see, the edge is very close to the edge of the glass. We like to make it look, very close. Not all the way to the edge, but very close. So that way it looks like a factory glass color. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of the cut around on this edge. So all this is a hand cut. It's not computer cut. So everything is a hand cut. We always put the little sticker here, that way the customer don't forget about not to roll the windows up and down. This is how it looks from the inside. That's 35%, and that's the 18%. For more information, you can go to prestigeautotinting.com. You can see a lot of information about the window tinting. Or also you can check out Prestige Window Tinting Texas on Instagram. That's where we post a lot of our videos and all the newer jobs that we've done. Alright, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.